Hello, it's Sally Casper. I'm here again. Like I promised last time that when my modern painting is done and with frame, I will show it to you. So for the meantime, I'm gonna get my painting and please subscribe. I will see you in a little bit. Over here, subscribe please. My friends, here it is. It's done and it's signed, and you can buy this anytime. So it's real wood. See, it's signed. That's my name, and signed, and it's ready to sell. It's I put the hanger already. So if you want to buy this, I will put this online and it's ready to go. So for the meantime, please, my friends, subscribe over here. It's here. Subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Have a good afternoon.